Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is software project proposal. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, silent viewers, and visitors in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. What is software project proposal? A software project proposal is a formal document that outlines the details of a proposed software development project. It serves as a roadmap for the project, providing an overview of the project's objectives, scope, deliverables, timelines, and estimated costs. The purpose of software project proposal is to communicate the project's feasibility, benefits, and requirements to stakeholders such as clients, managers, or founding entities. It helps in obtaining approval, funding, and support for the project. Typically, a software project proposal includes the following key components. Number 1, introduction. This section provides an overview of the project, its purpose, and the problem it aims to solve. It also highlights the project's significance and potential benefits. Number 2, objectives. The objectives section defines the specific goals and outcomes the project intends to achieve. These objectives should be measurable and aligned with the project's purpose. Number 3, scope. The scope outlines the boundaries of the project, specifying what is included and excluded. It defines the features, functions, and modules that will develop as part of the software solution. Number 4, methodology. This section describes the approach and methodology that will be used to develop the software. It may include details about the development process, technologies, tools, and frameworks to be employed. Number 5, timeline. The timeline presents a high-level schedule for the project, outlining key milestones, deliverables, and dependencies. It provides an estimated time frame for completing the project. Number 6, resources. This section lists the resources required for the project, including personnel, skills, hardware, software, and any third-party services or dependencies. Number 7, cost estimate. The cost estimate provides an overview of the project required for the project. It includes details about personnel costs, equipment costs, software licenses, and other expenses associated with the project. Number 8, risks and mitigation strategies. Here, potential risks and challenges that may arise during the project are identified, along with mitigation strategies to address them. This demonstrates that the project team has considered potential obstacles that has plans to overcome them. Number 9, benefits and return on investment, or ROI. This section outlines the anticipated benefits of the software project, such as an increased efficiency, cost savings, or improved user experience. It may also include an analysis of the expected return on investment for stakeholders. Number 10, conclusion. The conclusion summarizes the key points of the proposal and reiterates the value of feasibility of the project. As crafted software project proposal provides a clear understanding of the project's objectives, scope, and implementation plan, it helps stakeholders evaluate the project's viability, make informed decisions, and allocate necessary resources for its successful execution. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation. What is software project proposal? Thank you so much for your watching and support to my channel. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.